Everyone, today I will show you how to change wallpaper on Android. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to hold and click on the Android phone. You need to hold it and then click on wallpaper and style. And then click on change wallpaper. So here you can click on whichever wallpaper you want to change to. Let's say I want to change to this dog wallpaper. You can click on this and then click on next. And then give it some time to maybe loading. And so after you've done it, you can click on done. And then it should save it as your wallpaper. And that is how you can save and then make a wallpaper for your Android phone.